Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Store stuck on acquiring license. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services you just need to find clip SVC service. This is name it up client license service. Just double click on it. Make sure it is running guys. If it is not running then start it. If this if you can't able to start or you getting this error while starting this service, then you just need to check my video description for this link. Just click on the link and it will automatically download your registry file. As you can see, after getting download done, you just need to double click on the registry file and select run option and select yes. Select yes to add this registry path. We successfully added to the registry, and now just to close stuff here and restart our PC. After restarting, go to search menu and type services, click on open it, and you just need to search for that service, client license service. Make sure it is running. After that, select apply and OK, and your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.